Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaro hegidira? Please don't mind. I have a little bit of cold, so my voice is recovering. I was not keeping well. I had a bit of really high fever, so please don't mind on the voice. So I'll try to do a bit of things on editing. But with that, yes, like I already read the title. Yes, it's the unboxing of the Carbonado mod pack. So this is the 5 liter one, and if you can see me, it's exactly size of my face, just for my demonstration purposes. I've loaded a bunch of things. I'll explain you in a while. So this is actually from Carbonado, and I got this from Let's Gear. Right, Let's Gear is actually a store in HSR, because I've been trying to look for a lot of options I did not get. So I was just checking on website. I just called them. Amazing service. Like I just got it in 30 minutes after my order. If you're watching this, let's get up. I think it's amazing customer feedback. And this is the manual that you get with Carbonado, like how can you install on different types of seats and subframes, right? So that is the thing. Feel free to pause and you can zoom as well. So, and then of course you have the tag which I've ripped it apart. I'll tell you why. And then Let's Care send me a bunch of these stickers. Of course, it's not a sponsored video, but they sent me these stickers which can always go and stick on the motorcycle. And that's what they sent. I think it's a great gesture. Thanks for that. And they packed me with like really amazing package. I just ripped it apart. So there was two packages, one with the bubble wrap and one with the normal cover on top of it. And then the most important thing, what you also get is actually a lot of things. I have to show this to you. Even before I get into that, you get this tag that has been tied on the Carbonado. It is 1790 rupees, no discounts, but trust me, it's worth every single penny. And just a second, I'll come back. Something fell down one of the straps. Oh, yeah. And even before I jump onto the straps, I'll also show you some of the things that Let's Gear Up sent me. A nice key bunch Let's Gear Up has sent, and then of course their branding of some of the stickers that they have. So yeah. And then there's another one, similar one, and then there's two. Okay. So this is what they sent me. And that's all about the package. And now I'm going to show you the straps as well, right? So there is total of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 10. So this is actually a shoulder strap that you can use. That gonna come with the bag itself. And then you have the one that I'm going to use. Of course, it's going to be for my 6R. There is two patterns. This is another pattern, just like a normal what do you call for this, man? The one that you sort of D-ring sort of thing. So that is the one this set has. So this is the design, and it's really well made quality as well. And then of course you have another sort of pattern. You get 4 of these pieces, by the way, so just in case. And then you also have the ring system or buckle system, where you can actually put the buckles here, and this is 2 sides you can put in either way, so that's the best part. And then you have the other side, you have this ring which is going to connect to the bag as well, right? So you have 4 of these, and this is about the straps that they have. And the most important thing is the bag itself, right? I must say this is the fantastic quality of a mod pack. And you have one zip here where you can store some luggages. I've put my sanitizer here. I've loaded this, by the way. If it's empty, it's going to look very empty, and you won't believe what all I've kept inside, isn't it? So then you have clip 1 here, it opens up. Clip 2 here opens up. Clip 3 is in the center. You open it up, then it's going to open up like this, similar to any other bag, right? So this is completely waterproof. You can just open, there's a velcro, and this thing is 100% waterproof. You can always remove it if you want to, just in case you want to have more space. And then I'll show you what all I've kept in my bag. This is the puncher kit that most of them would have, and I recommend to have it because easy to put puncher than towing a motorcycle from any location and paying like thousands of money just because of a small puncher. Any mechanical issues, that's all right. But then of course I have a power bank to charge my GoPro batteries, and then of course I have the baffle remover just in case if I have to open it, that is something which is there. And the other thing is these Xiaomi power inflator, so the air inflator, tire inflator, whatever you want to call. So that is there with me. And I also put in a ½ liter water, but I have not stored it, but I can store it. So when you actually take off all these things, it's going to look very compact. See, it's just so lightweight. And this is all about the product, and I'm going to test it out in the next video. I haven't got a chance to test it out because I'm actually waiting for a few more things that has to be added to the motorcycle. So that is one of the reasons. And also you have another zip here just in case. So there's another zip. You can store something, maybe your documents. There's a threaded one also here, the netted one. So there's another thing as well here. So this is the entire context of the bag. I can drop you the link. You can buy this from Carbonado. I realized lately after I got off these things. But however, if you want to buy this, you can buy it through any website. Let's Gear Up have it. When I bought it, I'm not sure whether they have it, but easy to get from Carbonado. You get this in 5 liter, 10 liter, I think 30 and 20 also, right? And it is very easy to mount, and I cannot mount this on cowl. I have to change the cowl and then put the seat and then mount it, because when I started to wear race suit, right, the one that I got here, you might be knowing this, I used to tie this to my waist bag like a waist thing, but you will see it in the videos, but it's not working out well for me. When you bend, it's actually pressing in the sides and all, and not safe to have the power bank just under your this one and phone, everything as well, right? So because of that, I had to make those changes, and I'm loving this product. I did check out on my motorcycle. I just tried it off. It is very sturdy, I must say. And with that, thank you so much for taking your time and video, folks. I'll catch you in another vlog, and the content and the travel story and biggest plan is coming up in June and July, so just wait for it. And with that, I'll take a leave. See you, folks. Bye.